In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up an auto reply on Gmail. This is a handy feature, especially if you're planning to be away from your inbox for a while and want to ensure that people are informed of your absence or any alternative contacts. Let's dive right in and walk through this process step by step. First, begin by opening your web browser and navigating to Google. It's always nice to start with a fresh login, so from the Google homepage, locate the Sign In button. You'll usually find it in the upper right corner. Click on it and you'll be prompted to enter your credentials. If you have multiple accounts, make sure to select the right one for which you want to set up the auto reply. Once you're signed in, the next step is to access Gmail. Look at the top of your screen and you should spot the Gmail link. Click on it and it will take you directly to the Gmail dashboard. This is essentially your main hub where you can see all your incoming emails, drafts and sent messages. With your Gmail dashboard open, the next move is to find the settings option. To do this, look for the gear icon, normally situated in the top right corner of your Gmail interface. Click on it and from the drop down menu, select settings. This will open up a new page with various tabs and options you can adjust to customize your Gmail experience. Now within the settings page, you need to find the general tab. This is usually the default tab that opens, so you should already be there, but if not, simply click on general. Scrolling down, you'll find an option labeled Vacation Responder, which is essentially the auto reply feature we're here to set up. This feature lets you craft an automated response that will be sent to people who email you during your specified time frame. Click to enable the vacation responder. You'll then enter the dates for when you want the auto reply to be active. Select a start date and, if applicable, an end date. The feature will automatically turn off after this end date, but if you leave that field blank, you'll need to manually disable it. In the subject and message fields, craft your auto reply message. Make sure your message is clear and direct. You might want to include information like how long you'll be unavailable and your expected return date. You could also mention an alternative contact if applicable. Once you've filled in all the necessary details, don't forget to save your changes. Scroll to the bottom of the page and click Save Changes. And there you go, you've successfully set up an auto reply on your Gmail account. Now whenever someone shoots you an email during your specified vacation period, they'll automatically receive your crafted response. Thank you for following along today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. Be sure to come back for more tech tips and guides.